Discover the magic of Yerette, home of the hummingbird, nestled in the lush Maracas Valley, St. Joseph, Trinidad and Tobago. Witness the breathtaking beauty of hundreds of vibrant hummingbirds in their natural habitat, surrounded by stunning tropical gardens. Perfect for nature lovers, bird enthusiasts, and anyone seeking an unforgettable experience, Yerette offers a peaceful escape into a world of wonder. Come, be enchanted by the fluttering wings and vivid colors that make this hidden gem a must-see destination. To book for an educational tour at Yerette, call 1-868-397-5961. That's 1-868-397-5961.